I'm gonna play some kind of gambit. I don't know which one, but yeah. Bro, just see the pixels, they look bigger. Thank you to the Salim for the tier 1. Thank you so much, Salim. Appreciate it. Go here on bishop b3. Yeah, I think I'm just playing knight c3 and take with a pawn. Thank you to the man with cake for the tier 1. Thank you to GT 577 5772B for the 9 months. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Guess I can take or play knight g5 here. I think I'm just... I mean, I can obviously trade, but I don't want to trade bishop, so I'm going to go here and just hit the pawn at f7. Okay, takes. I guess I just take and take the bishop here. Purple squares look different. No, I mean, I think everything's pretty good. Do I have playlists on Spotify? I do, yeah. There was no mate in 2 there. It was close to mate in 2, but it wasn't exactly there. No, I mean 96, king e7, queen d6, he takes with the king. It was very close to checkmate, though. It was. Taking good check here. I thought Arjun played really, really well. I thought it was very, very impressive. Good checkmate.